Let's see now. Last week, when we visited the back room, we saw a beautiful winter scene. And a couple of weeks ago, there was a forest. Let's find out what's in the back room tonight. Let's go.
Chim-chimney, chim-chimney, chim-chim-chiree. My sleep is as lucky can be. Oh, chim-chimney, chim-chimney, chim-chim-chiroo. Good luck will rub off when I shake hands with you. Oh, blow me a kiss, and that's lucky too. Now as the ladder of life has been strung, you may think us squeeze on the bottommost rung. Though I spend me time in the ashes and smoke, in this whole wide world there's no happier crow. I choose bristles with pride, yes I do. A broom for the shaft and a brush for the flue. Thoughts of understood from the end to the toe. On sweet knows he's welcome wherever he goes. Chim-chimney, chim-chimney, chim-chim-chiree. Our sleep is as lucky can be. Oh, chim-chimney, chim-chimney, chim-chim-chiroo. Good luck will rub off when I shake hands with you. Oh, blow me a kiss, and that's lucky too.
Up where the smoke is all billowed and curled, between pavement and stars is the chimney sweep whirl. When there's hardly no day or hardly no night, there's things half in shadow and halfway in light.
On the rooftops of London, crew, what a sight.
On the rooftops of London, crew, what a sight.
Chim-chimney, chim-chimney, chim-chim-chiree. When you're with the sweet, you're in my company. Nowhere is there a more happier crew than them what sings chim-chim-chiree, chim-chiroo. Chim-chimney, chim-chimney, chim-chim-chiree. When you're with the sweet, you're in my company. Nowhere is there a more happier crew than them what sings chim-chim-chiree, chim-chiroo. Chim-chimney, chim-chim-chiree, chim-chiroo. Chim-chimney, chim-chim-chiree. Chim-chimney, 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 chim-chim-chiroo. Um-de-lie, um-de-lie, um-de-lil, um-de-lie, 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 um-de-lil, um-de-lie. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious, if you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. 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 Um-de-lie, um-de-lie, um-de-lil, um-de-lie. Because I was afraid to speak when I was just a lad. My father gave my nose a tweak and told me I was bad. But then one day he learned a word that saved his aching nose. The biggest word you ever heard, and this is how it goes. Oh, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. 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 I traveled all around the world and everywhere I went, I used my word and all would say, there goes a clever gent. When dukes and maharajas talk to him, just wait and see. I'd use my special word and then they'd ask me out to tea. Oh, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. 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 Um-de-lie, um-de-lie, um-de-lil, um-de-lie. Supercalifragilistic. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. The medicine go down, medicine go down. Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down in the most delightful way. Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. The medicine go down, medicine go down. Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down in the most delightful way. In every job that must be done, there is an element of fun. You find the fun and scrap the job's a game. And every task you undertake becomes a piece of cake. A lark, a spree, it's very clear to me. For a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. The medicine goes down. Medicine goes down. Just a spoonful of sugar helps till sugar in the most delightful way. A robin feathering his nest has very little time to rest, while gathering his bits of twine and twig. Though quite intent in his pursuit, he has a merry tune to toot. He knows a song will move the job along. For a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. The medicine goes down. Medicine go down. Just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down in the most delightful way. The honey bees buzz, nectar from the flowers to the flowers, never buzzing buzz, because they take a little nip from every flower that they sip, and hence they find their task is not a grind. Pour off a gallon of sugar, a gallon of sugar, a gallon of sugar, a gallon of sugar, just a spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down in the most delightful way. It helps the medicine, it helps the medicine, the sugar helps the medicine go down, down, down.
Tremendous. Really great. Hi, Mike.
Hi, Gene.
How are you?
Fine.
Listen. Hi, gang.
Hi.
Oh, hey, that's what I go. Hi, gang.
Hi.
Listen, people, I want you to meet the Sounds of BC in person. And first of all, I want to have you meet their very able director. This is Mr. Mike Weicker. And Mike, they sound beautiful.
Thank you, Gene.
Really great. Do we have time to? Sure we do.
Oh, absolutely.
Let's introduce them. May they introduce themselves,
Absolutely.
these
Let's
fine
go.
singers. Okay, here we go.
Ann,
Bert,
Dana,
Rory,
Brenda,
Steve.
Jan,
Dick.
Denny,
Al.
Denise,
Pat.
Debbie,
Randy.
Val,
Dave.
Lynn,
Jeff.
Leslie,
Henry.
Cheryl,
Mark.
Sue,
John.
Ah, well, we've almost got the sounds of BC, but now we need the musicians over here. Would you like to do the honors, Mike, please?
Absolutely. Darcy Goebel at the piano. And on her right, David Chamberlain. And on bass, Scott Horn.
Very nice. Musicians really add a lot, I think, to the group.
Well, we need them.
You sound great. Listen, I'm interested. How often do these children, singers, rehearse?
Normally 5 times a week. And
5
sometimes-
times a week?
Sometimes a night rehearsal.
Very fine. Do they do concert tours?
Oh, yes. We did one last year, and we hope to do one again this year.
Okay, what other kinds of musical things would this group be involved in, for instance?
Well, most of this group is involved in a little show we're doing in March called Fiddler on the Roof, opening the 14th.
Correct. Fiddler on the Roof.
Right.
What is the date?
14th of March.
14th of March. That's great. Is it a good one?
It's good.
Good. Great. Maybe we'll all come and see. Are you going to do some other songs for us?
Yes, Gene, we'd like to do some selections from Oliver, but we've got to do a costume change first.
Very good. Let's see them.
All
Fine.
right.
Consider yourself at home. Consider yourself one of the family. We've taken to you so strong. It's clear we're going to get along. Consider yourself well early. Consider yourself final furniture. There isn't a lot to spare. Who cares? Whatever we got, we share. If it's a chance to be, we should see some harder days. Empty harder days. Why grouse? Always a chance will be somebody to put the bill. Then the drinks are on the house. Consider yourself amazed. We don't want to have no fuss. For after some consideration, we can state. Consider yourself one of us. Thus I travel far and wide, till I am beside the someone whom I can mean something to. That's how it goes. Papa, everyone knows. They all suppose what they want to suppose. When they hear Papa, they'll listen to us singing in the city whenever they win on the tin or the pier. If your patience are organizations will tell you exactly what you want to hear. Papa, that's how it goes. Papa, everyone knows. They all suppose what they want to suppose. When they hear Papa. As long as he needs me, I know where I must be. I'll cling on steadfastly, as long as he needs me. As long as life is long, I'll love him right or wrong, and somehow I'll be strong, as long as he needs me. If you are lonely, then you will know. When someone needs you, you love them so. I won't betray his trust. No people say I must. I've got to stay as long as I'd do anything for you, dear, anything for you, mean everything to me. I know that I'd go anywhere, anywhere I see. Everywhere I see your smile, would you lace my shoe? Anything, paint your blue, anything, fetch your kangaroo, anything, go to Timbuktu, and back again. I'd risk anything for one kiss. Everything else I do, anything for this wonderful morning, such a day you never did see. Who will tie it up with a ribbon and put it in a box for me? There'll never be a day so sunny it could not happen twice. Where is the man with all the money? It's cheap at half the price. Who will buy this wonderful feeling? I'm so high. be someone who will find. Don't see yourself or race. We don't have no pause. Or after some consideration, we can say, come see yourself, one of us.
Wasn't that beautiful? That was the best time I've spent in a long time.